hold tight. Yeah, it's like technical difficulties with the server business. Don't watch out, watch this. Sounds of the Flatjack, default recording show. Yeah, this one's by the QST, brand new, called Red Dwarf. Forthcoming on my own label, Default Recordings, as a digital download. defaultrecordings.co.uk, check it out. Brand new website, brand new digital online label. Hold tight to QST for this one. Absolutely rolling tune. Goes out to all those locked on, tuned in. Yeah, let's hope it doesn't disconnect. Yes, time to pump up the volume, turn up the bass line. Saturday afternoon business, dnbradio.com, let's go.
The ribbon is a conflux of temporal energy that travels through this galaxy every 39.1 years. It will pass through this sector in approximately 42 hours.